How to redeem a McDonald's rewards in store using the 4-digit code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open McDonald's app on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up here. Click on rewards and deals. Then it will ask you to sign in. Simply sign into your account. After you sign into your account in here, you will find the restaurant option. Select the restaurant from which you are ordering, and then after that, app provides a 4-digit code for the cashier. Order at the register as usual. Tell the cashier you're redeeming a McDonald's rewards and provide the 4-digit code from your app screen in reward section. Complete the payment, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to redeem a McDonald's rewards in store using the 4-digit code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.